Hi, it's Amy with Norwex. Hope you're having a great day. So I wanted to jump on. I'm getting ready to clean my kitchen, which is a daily task around here. And I wanted to show you what Norwex cloths I use the most. So we have kitchen towels and kitchen cloths. These are what we typically use for drying dishes, drying our hands at the sink, things like that. And kitchen cloth, I use this for an everyday cloth, you know, wiping down the table after meals, getting crumbs up very easily. These come in two different weaves. This is the diamond weave, and this is the channeled weave. Now these are mine. I've had them for well over a year, and they work great. You just clean them once a week. You rinse them with water when you're done using them, hang them to dry, and they have backlock in them, which means they self-purify every day, and they physically remove bacteria from a surface, which is fantastic. So I don't have to use any disinfectants in my kitchen. No one wants a chemical pizza on their counter, right? So get rid of the chemicals and use these with just water alone. Save time, save money, and save our health, because we're not exposing ourselves and our kitchen, our kids, to all those toxic chemicals. We also have counter cloths. These are great to replace paper towels. They're actually the size of a half paper towel. To teach my family to switch to these versus paper towels, I just sat this box right where our paper towel holder used to be. And now we grab these when we would have grabbed paper towels in the past. So let's get started. I have the kitchen counter done, and I went and grabbed my window cloth because I'm gonna clean the shiny faucet. And so after I remove bacteria and dirt and grime, then I'm gonna shine it up with the window cloth. I also grabbed our cleaning paste, which one tub lasts 3 to 5 years. It's so easy to use. I love this. It's made out of marble flour, coconut oil, and natural soap. And so I see some stains in the sink from spaghetti and coffee and things like that. So I'm gonna use a little bit of cleaning paste on the kitchen cloth to clean up my sink while I'm at it. Okay, I'm motivated now, so it's time to clean up the rest of this kitchen. I'm gonna use the Enviro cloth, which is my heavy duty cleaning cloth, like for those cabinets and things like that. I'm gonna continue using the kitchen cloth because there are crumbs on the counters, and the cleaning paste can be used with any of our cloths. And I'm also gonna use the little utility brush for those tiny little areas on the sides. Now I'm gonna do the kitchen table and the chairs, and since there's crumbs on that table from breakfast, I will use the kitchen cloth. That's gonna be my go-to. It picks up crumbs really easily, but more importantly, they rinse out very easily. So let's do this. I do have a protective coating on my table. It's very shiny. It repels water. And so right now the table is a little bit damp, and just to shine it up, to put that finishing touch, I'm gonna use the window cloth to polish it up. Okay, we're almost done. Now I just have this long row of cabinets and countertops that are used for everything, whether it's baking things, place for the air fryer, you name it, this is where it goes. So that needs to be cleaned up once in a while. There's a lot of crumbs under stuff. The appliances themselves need to be wiped off. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm going to continue using the counter cloth when I see a lot of crumbs, my Enviro cloth for cabinets and sticky messes, and I may also use the cleaning paste if I see a lot of spots and things like that. And I will have my window cloth handy to get anything shiny like the outside of the appliances. So here we go. The absolute best part of this, I mean, besides the fact that it's super fast and easy, is that in a place where my family eats, gathers, makes snacks, dinners, stores food, I'm not using one harmful chemical, not one disinfectant wipe, not one disinfectant spray. I'm using cloth and water to clean it up, and it's cleaner than it's ever been before. So let's finish. We really did a fantastic job together, cleaning everything up so fast, so easy. Everything is sparkly and ready for the next mess. Now I'm gonna rinse out the cloths. I did notice there's a lot of debris on the floor from where I was cleaning counters. And so we're going to get that up with the Norwex mop system super fast to finish the video. These cloths are not going in the washing machine. I can use them over and over again for at least a week. So here's how you want to wash them. Turn on warm water that expands the fabric and releases all that junk. You press, agitate, and rinse. Just give it a good rinse. I'm going to wring it out a couple times, and then you're going to hang it to dry. And while it's drying, the microsilver in the cloth will physically destroy any bacteria that we've collected. Now, we've collected a lot because I made sure to get light switches, knobs, doorknobs. So you want to hang that up in a well-ventilated area. Now I'm going to rinse out my Enviro cloth. We worked hard with that. Just do the same thing. Press, agitate, and rinse with warm water. We're gonna wring it out really well. And woo, the water was brown. Too bad you're not over here to see that. And we're gonna hang that up to dry too. So there we go. Now let's get these floors. This is the Norwex mop system. So this is in graphite. It comes with a dry cloth and a wet mopping cloth. So your dry cloth is like your broom. I'm gonna use that first, and then I'll clean it off in the trash can, get all the debris off of it. Then I'll get this wet, wring it out really well, and then I'll mop the floor. And it dries within seconds. So amazing. So we picked up a lot of debris, and here's how you clean off your dry mop pad. Use one of our rubber brushes or a rubber brush of your own. This is great also for pet hair. And you just clean this off right over the trash can. And so it's not flying everywhere, goes right in the trash can and out of my kitchen. Let's wet mop. So we are done wet mopping, and I'm just gonna rinse this out. Very easy, just like we do the other cloth. So I'm gonna run some warm water over it, press it on itself, and that helps release all of the junk that I picked up. Another thing I love about this mop is that it removes bacteria from our floor, 99% of bacteria. And I have a little baby granddaughter, she's getting ready to start crawling. So having this gives me peace of mind, and now I'm gonna wring it out really well, and then I will hang it to dry. And it also has backlock in it, which is that microsilver. So it's gonna destroy any bacteria that I collected, and this will be ready for me the next time I need to mop. And I'll wash it maybe once a week, once every other week with the rest of my Norwex. Have a great day, thanks for watching.